Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I will show you how to block websites in Google Chrome on your computer. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left menu, click Privacy and Security. Then open Site Settings. Scroll down and click JavaScript. Under Not allowed to use JavaScript, click Add. Now go to the website you want to block. Next, copy the URL of the site. Go back to Chrome settings. Then paste the main link of the website. Then click Add to save it. Once the website is added, it won't load properly in Chrome because JavaScript will be blocked for the site, as you can see here. You can repeat the same steps to block additional websites. If you want a stronger way to block websites with password protection, schedules or focus mode, you can use a Chrome extension. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Extensions. Then select Visit Chrome Web Store. Here, search for Block Site or Site Blocker. Choose the extension you want. Then click Add to Chrome. After that, click Add Extension. Now wait for the installation process to complete. Once it's installed, open the extension settings and pin it. From there, you can add websites to your block list, create schedules, set time limits, block adult content, or even protect the settings with a password. Just visit the website you want to block. Then click on the extension icon and click block this site. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to block websites in Google Chrome on your desktop. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.